Now the next topic is related to journal entries of interest on capital, interest on drawing, partner's salary, partner's commission, division of profit, and creation of general reserve. So first, interest on capital. So interest on capital entry will be, first entry will be interest on capital account debit, because it's a nominal account, debit, to cash account. If the interest is paid by cash, then to cash account. If interest is paid by check, then to bank account. If it is not paid, then it may be transferred to capital account or current account. If the capital is fixed, then current account. If the capital is fluctuating, then capital account. Okay. So depend upon whether it will transfer to capital account or current account, depending upon capital is fixed or fluctuating. If capital is fluctuating, then will be transferred to capital account, and if it is capital is fixed, then it will be transferred to current account. Next entry is this amount will be closed by transferring to PL appropriation account debit side. PL appropriation account debit to interest on capital. Next journal entry for partner's salary. Partner's salary. Next journal entry is for partner's salary. So I'm going to change only this much. Partner's salary account debit. Partner's salary account debit to cash account if the salary is paid by cash, to bank account if the payment is done by check, to partners capital account if the capital is fluctuating, and if the capital is fixed, then to partners current account. And the same partner's salary will be transferred to the debit side of PL appropriation account, to partners salary. Same with the partner's commission. Same with the partner's commission. Commission. Partner's commission account debit. Partner's commission account debit to cash account if the commission is paid by cash, to bank if the commission is paid by check, to partners capital account if the capital is fluctuating, or to partners current account if the partners capital is fixed. And then this partners commission will be transferred in the debit side of PL appropriation account to partners commission. To partners commission. Okay, to partners commission. Now next is for interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Cash account debit, bank account debit, partners capital account debit, partners current account debit, to interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is the nominal, comes under nominal accounts, is the income of the firm, so that's why it is credited. If the interest is received by cash, then cash account. If it is received through check and deposited the amount into bank, then bank account will be debited. If partner's capital is fixed, interest is not received in any way, cash or check, it is not received, then it will be transferred to partner's capital account when the capital is fluctuating, and it may be transferred to partner's current account if the capital is fixed. Next entry will be interest on drawing account debit, drawings account debit to profit and loss appropriation account, credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. This amount will be transferred in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Next is for division of profit. Division of profit. For division of profit. Division of divisible profit. Divisible profit. So PL appropriation account debit. Appropriation account debit to partners capital account or partners current account, as the case may be. If the capital is fixed, then partners current. If the capital is fluctuating, then partners capital account. Division of profits. Final, at the end, in the PL appropriation account, we calculate the divisible profit. If the credit exceeds the debit, that amount is called divisible profit, will be transferred to partners capital and current account. Okay. If we have created any general reserve, creation of general reserve, if we have created any general reserve, creation of general reserve, then PL appropriation account debit to general reserve account, general reserve, in the debit side of PL appropriation account to general reserve. For drawings, if the amount which is withdrawn by the partner for personal use and at the end of the financial year that amount is not repaid, not returned, or any amount is in balance of drawings, then this will be transferred to partners capital account or current account. So partners capital account or partners current account debit to drawings. This will be posted in the capital account or current account debit side. In capital account when the capital is fluctuating, in current account when the capital is fixed, this drawing will be transferred in the respective partners capital account. In case of loss, there is no net profit, there is a net loss. In case of net loss, there is no profit, net loss. So this net loss will be transferred to partners capital account, partners capital or partners current account debit, to profit and loss account. This profit and loss indicate the debit balance of profit and loss, which will be transferred to partners capital or partners current account, as the case may be. If the capital is fixed, then will be transferred to current. If the capital is fluctuating, then partners capital account. In this way, the partners capital balance will be reduced by the amount of that loss. That loss will be divided between the partner in their profit sharing ratio, and if the deed is silent, then that profit will be divided equally. These are the things related to the journal entry. These are the journal entries related to interest on capital, interest on drawing, partner's salary, partner's commissions, division of profit, general reserve, PL. And next one more is interest on loan. So interest on loan account debit is an expense. If it is paid, then to cash account, or bank account by payment by check, or it may, if it is not paid, then transfer to partners, that partner's loan account. That amount will be transferred to that partner's loan account, not in the capital or current account. That interest. If it is not paid by the firm, then that interest will be transferred to partner's loan account, so that the loan amount will be increased by that interest amount. So if the interest is paid by cash, then 2 cash, or paid by check, then this one. If it is not paid, then that interest amount will be transferred to partner's loan account. It is a charge against profit shown in the profit and debit balance of debit side of profit and loss account. To interest on loan, debit side of profit and loss account, not the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. This will be posted in the debit side of profit and loss account, not in the debit side of PL appropriation account. That's it.